Hey guys, what's up? Keegers here. Again, thank you for tuning in, appreciate you. I'm gonna do a little bit of a follow-up to our clip command because, well, after talking with some people about how it works, maybe it's not the best. And I want to make my life better, your life better, and probably a lot of you might have commented this, but I'm doing these and as a whole batch, so you guys might be throwing me shade over on the original one. So this is clip part 2. So in clip part 1, we had Twitch make that stream marker, takes in that argument text of 1, which is every single thing after the space, so someone can be like, check out this awesome clip. And then I have a chat message that says, thanks for that clip. Well, I've been talking with people, and even like in my experiences with this lovely thing is, it's cool, like, but it requires this lazy streamer to go in and find that marker. Do you know how obnoxious that is currently in Twitch? It's really obnoxious. So in my humble opinion, it's way better if we just add another Twitch command. And we're gonna put it, where'd it go? Oh, I didn't hit add yet. Huh. All right, so we're gonna put it up here. We're gonna clip it up, and we're literally gonna add clip. Now, this made me laugh a lot, where it's not, how do I want to put this? It doesn't actually tell you what these things do. Obviously, it's going to make a clip, but I'm more referring to these two things right here. And this one makes sense in my brain. This other one, I kind of want to know what the delay is. And I want to show you guys why I'm finding this hilarious. Is because I'm going to pull over the wiki article from Mix It Up's wiki, and I typed in clip, and I found this clip, and I'm going to show you. Look, it's clip right there, right? All right, so let's read clip. Clips the last 30 seconds of your stream and provide special identifier clip URL, which contains the URL of the clip created. That is phenomenal. Phenomenal. The hell does include delay mean? What does show info in chat mean? Again, I love their documentation. It is one of the best that I've seen, but there are times where I look at this and go, nah. But what makes it even funnier to me is that that's all they have. Like, I'm highlighting it, that's all they have. And it's the one that they took a screenshot of and put up here to highlight the fact that you can do these things. And just because I want you to understand that I'm not throwing shade to throw shade, I did scroll down. Look, there's nothing else. So it's not like this include delay is in somewhere else as well, so you can see it. It show info in chat. Like, does that mean it will eventually show up in chat? Because clipping things takes a little bit of time. Like, does it use the clip URL right away? Sorry. There are so many problems that I have with this lack of documentation for this one that it makes me cry a little bit. So guys, over at Mix It Up, please update your documentation. I would really appreciate it. If you need someone to help update your documentation, I can point out flaws, and we can, not really flaws, areas where we can improve, and then we can work together, and I will help edit these things. But like this one in particular, I just really found it funny that they highlighted up here and then don't tell you anything about the options. Just saying. Anyway, guys, so that is clip version 2. So now when it does do this, it will still create a stream marker. It will also clip it, so that way I've got the clip already made because I am lazy. And it will also give that feedback to the user saying, thanks for that clip. So again, gives you the ability to have people just clip things right away. I'm gonna include that delay because maybe that's the way I should do this. I don't actually know. And I think I am gonna include that info in chat because I wanna see what happens. I wanna see. So I'm gonna do those things. Maybe I'll get back to you on this, but totally, this is, I think, the way you should be doing it. Add that marker so that way someone can tell you what's up. Gives you that clip as well because I am lazy and want to have someone else do that for me, namely the bot, and then give that feedback to that user. So if you guys are in my chat, you can just do !clip and say whatever you want about that clip, and it will be ready for me to go by the time the stream's done. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully this remedies the problems that you might have seen in the clip version 1. So let me know what your thoughts are, how that all works, and I will catch you in the next one. But again, remember, someone out there loves you, someone out there likes you, and I really do appreciate you. Have a great day.